Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every fastener counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're working on vehicles, bikes, machinery, or delicate equipment, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best detail sanders, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, accuracy, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now let's get started. First up, we have the DeWalt DCW210B. I know what you're thinking. This is a 5-inch random orbital sander, not a triangular mouse sander. Why is it on a detail list? Because if you are restoring furniture or cabinetry, you can't tackle large flat surfaces with a tiny mouse sander. You need this for the bulk work before switching to smaller tools for the corners. The DCW210B is a top-tier cordless option, featuring a brushless motor for better runtime and efficiency. The variable speed dial lets you adjust from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, orbits per minute. This is critical. Crank it up to strip material fast, or dial it down for sensitive veneers. Its standout feature is the low profile. Your hand sits closer to the work surface, giving you significantly more control than older, taller sanders. Users consistently praise the vibration control. One of the biggest complaints with sanding is the numb hand feeling. DeWalt has dampened the vibration so well that users report sanding for an hour without fatigue. However, be aware of the dust collection. While the locking bag is decent, users agree that for truly dust-free performance, you really need to hook this up to a shop vac.
Next, we're moving to a true corner specialist, the BLACK+DECKER BDC-MS20C. This is the cordless version of the classic mouse sander. It solves the headache of dragging extension cords up staircases or around window frames. It runs at 12,000 OPM, which is plenty of speed for removing old varnish or smoothing out filler. It features a 2-position grip, allowing you to hold the handle or palm the top for more pressure. It also includes a detail finger attachment, a lifesaver for tight spots like chair spindles. Users love the grab-and-go convenience. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for overhead work. However, battery life is mixed. If you are stripping a solid oak table, this isn't the tool for the job. It's best suited for light to medium detail work, where mobility matters more than raw power. Also, some users note the dust port is a bit odd, so you might need an adapter if you plan to use a vacuum. Coming in at number 3 is the WORX WX822L. If your restoration work involves intricate shapes, think antique chairs or crown molding, this is a strong contender. Like the BLACK+DECKER, it runs on a 20-volt battery platform. What separates this from the pack is the attachment ecosystem. It comes with specific finger sanding attachments that extend your reach significantly. While other sanders struggle to get deep into routed edges or louvered doors, the WORX is designed exactly for that. It's nimble, weighs under 2 pounds, and the dust canister features a microfilter to trap smaller particles. The consensus is that this is a problem-solver tool. People buy it specifically for the attachments. Owners appreciate that it shares batteries with WORX long tools, saving money. On the downside, the dust bin fills up fast and can be fiddly to empty. There are also reports that it vibrates more than premium brands, but for the price and versatility, most DIYers find it a fair trade-off.
At number 4, we have the SKIL SR232301 Multifunction Sander. We are switching back to corded power here for one reason: consistency. The 1.2 amp motor delivers a steady 13,500 OPM. Since it's corded, you won't experience the power drop of a fading battery. Marketed as a 4-in-1, it comes with 3 additional detail attachments that click onto the nose, allowing you to sand contours without needing a separate tool. It also uses a microfiltration dust box rather than a cloth bag, which generally does a better job of trapping superfine dust. This is a favorite among budget-conscious woodworkers who need power. Users report it removes material much faster than cordless mouse sanders. However, there is a recurring complaint: the dust box connection. It can vibrate loose if you aren't careful. A pro tip from the forums is to secure it with a small piece of tape when working overhead. Despite that quirk, the value is hard to beat.
Finally, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDEMS 600. This is the corded big brother to the earlier model, and it is a beast for speed. It runs at a massive 16,000 OPM. That is significantly faster than most sanders on this list, meaning it tears through rough patches quickly. It has a compact body with a 3-position grip for getting into cramped corners. Because it's corded, it's extremely light without a heavy battery hanging off the back. It also includes the finger attachment for hard-to-reach spots. With over 18,000 reviews, this is a staple. Users love the aggressive removal rate. It really speeds up projects. But watch out for tip wear. Because people press down hard to reach corners, the Velcro on the pad's tip wears out faster than the rest. Experienced users recommend rotating your sandpaper often and avoiding excessive pressure on the nose. If you treat it right, it's a reliable workhorse. And that wraps up the top 5 best detail sanders. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.